You know that myth about holding in a sneeze and blowing out your brain? Sounds dramatic, right? But let's set the record straight. While it's true that suppressing a sneeze can lead to some discomfort, like a stuffy nose or even a sore throat, it won't actually make your brain explode. What really happens is that the pressure builds up in your head, which can cause minor issues, like a ruptured eardrum or a headache. So, while it might feel like a heroic act to stifle that sneeze in a quiet room, it's better to let it out. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing irritants, and trust me, your brain will thank you for it.